Shopping for mortgage rates might seem like the smart thing to do. I mean, after all, who doesn't want the best deal? But did you know that rate shopping can actually derail your home purchase if you're not careful? Let's talk about how to shop rates without putting your dream home at risk. First, let's address a common misconception. The rate that you're quoted during pre-approval isn't guaranteed. It's just an estimate. Your final rate will depend on factors like market fluctuations, changes in your credit score, and even just the specifics of your loan. And here's where it gets tricky. Once you're under contract, you've got a limited window that's usually 30 days or so to finalize everything. That doesn't leave much room to shop around. Some lenders require extensive paperwork just to provide an accurate quote, which could delay your closing timeline. Switching lenders during the closing process can also be risky. Imagine this. You're days away from your closing, but your new lender can't process everything in time. Now your closing date is delayed, or worse, you lose the home and your earnest money. Even if the new lender offers a slightly lower interest rate, the savings may not outweigh the risk of missing your closing date. For example, saving $30 a month on a lower interest rate might not feel so great if you lose thousands in earnest money. Here's something that often gets overlooked. The reliability of your lender matters just as much as the interest rate. A dependable lender can make the process smoother, ensure timely closings, and help you avoid last-minute surprises. It's worth considering. Would you rather pay a fraction more each month for a peace of mind, or risk it all for a slightly lower interest rate? And let's talk about trigger leads. They're those pesky, unsolicited calls and emails that you get after you apply with a lender. These happen because credit bureaus sell your inquiry data to other lenders. These calls are especially annoying because they can tempt you to switch lenders. A lender calls out of the blue, offering a rate that seems fantastic, but it's quite likely that the lender can't deliver that rate, or closes so late in the process that you risk losing your earnest money and the house. It's frustrating, but there are solutions. Register your phone number on the National Do Not Call Registry and opt out of pre-screened credit offers to reduce the noise and stay focused on your goals. Now, let's get into how to shop for rates the right way. 1. Start early, before you're under contract, to give yourself time to research and compare. 2. Get pre-approved with multiple lenders to see what's available. 3. Collect rate quotes on the same day because rates can change daily. And 4, don't worry about multiple credit checks. Pro tip, as long as they're within a 45-day window, they will count as one single inquiry. At the end of the day, it's about balance. Yes, getting a competitive interest rate is important, but so is working with a lender who can close on time and guide you through the process seamlessly. Be prepared, stay informed, and prioritize what's best for your home buying journey. For more tips on rate shopping and effectively navigating the home buying process, visit mortgageresearch.com. And if you found this video helpful, please like, share, and follow. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you next time.